Here's the solution for number 4. We have 2.50 liters of a gas with an unknown pressure. So our unknown pressure is mentioned right at the beginning. However, we do know that at standard pressure, so we could say that this is P2, its volume was measured to be 8.00 liters. What was the unknown pressure? I'm looking for the unknown pressure. So I know at standard pressure, I have 8 liters. We're dealing with pressure and volume. Remember, when we're dealing with pressure and volume, it's P1 V1 equals P2 V2. P1 times V1 equals P2 times V2 because temperature is in the denominator and temperature is not changing. So it's just multiplying pressure and volume. So I'm starting with 2.50 liters, an unknown pressure. It doesn't tell me what units to use, so I'm going to use atmospheres. I think that's always the easiest unit to use if you're not required to use a different one, because our standard pressure is 1 atmosphere. It's 1 atmosphere. So the pressure, P2, is 1.00 atm. And at that pressure, we know the volume to be 8.00 atmospheres. So now I could plug in my variables and solve. So P1, which is my unknown, times V1, which is 2.50, equals P2, which is 1.00, times V2, which is 8.00. So I have 1 times 8 is just 8. And if I wanted to solve for this, I would divide by 2.50 on both sides. Cancels out. I'm left with P1 equals 3.20 atmospheres.